Good morning, children. Yes, we have done first and second lessons question answers, revision and positive type. Today we will do lesson number 3, food for us. Will you open your textbook and notebook, classwork notebook also you can. Please open. We begin with the question answers. I will read the questions and answers. You too repeat in your mind. Why do we need food? We need food to grow. Food makes us strong and healthy. Why do we need food? We need food to grow, and food makes us strong and healthy. Second question, what are energy giving foods? Give examples. This I have added. So food that give us energy to work and play are called energy giving foods. Examples are rice, wheat, bread. You can give these examples. What are energy giving foods? Give examples. Food that give us energy to work and play are called energy giving foods. Example, rice, sugar, potato and bread. Bread also comes under the energy giving foods. What are protective foods? Foods which protect us from diseases and keep us healthy are called protective foods. What are protective foods? Foods which protect us from diseases and keep us healthy are called protective foods. Then what is balanced diet? A balanced diet is that which has a proper quantity of food from each group. That is energy giving foods, bodybuilding foods and protective foods. This you have to mention it. What is a balanced diet? A balanced diet is that which has a proper quantity of food from each group. That is energy giving foods, bodybuilding foods and protective foods. From each group, if you have your diet in your daily routine diet, so you will be healthy. How can we keep ourselves healthy? A proper balanced diet, regular exercise and proper rest and cleanliness together keep us happy and healthy. Write any 3 good habits. Eat your meals at a fixed time. Wash your hands before and after meals. Eat healthy food and stay healthy. These are the 3 good habits of food. Then shall we go for object type? Open page number 175. All the question answers you need to by heart along with the spellings, and fill in the blanks also you have to by heart along with the spellings. I will show you in the textbook. Please see this. We get food from plants and animals. We get milk or eggs and meat from animals. Rice or bread and sugar are energy giving foods. Grain and pulses are bodybuilding foods. People who eat fish, eggs and meat are called non-vegetarians. We should eat our meals at fixed time. We should not eat junk food. This is the fill in the blanks. Now you can see this also. Sometimes it may come tick the food we get from plants. So you can recognize very easily. These are the fruits. We get it from the plants, and potato is a vegetable. We can get it from the plants, and maize we can get it from the plants only. So these are all animal products. Okay. Now open the page number. Once again, think about it. This, put the foods in the right column. So we have already written in the textbook. I have showed you energy giving foods, bodybuilding foods and protective food. These are the three columns are there. You have to divide these foods and put it in the right column. These are the energy giving food: rice, potato, bread and sugar. So already the pictures are there shown here. You have to put it them in the. Then bodybuilding foods: milk, fish, meat, pulses are bodybuilding foods. So protective foods: apple, carrot, tomato and potato are the protective foods. Okay, please you by heart all the question answers from all the lessons. All the question answers are important, and in this lesson you have to practice the fruits and vegetables diagrams and write the correct names for all the fruits and vegetables. Labeling part is also must. So whichever vegetables you are drawing or fruits you are drawing, you have to name it. Okay. Thank you. In next lesson we'll do revision.